who made it.
Yo, it's your boy Money Matt. In the midst of the hurricane, Lasership decided they want to deliver these dunks today. I know how everybody feeling about these the high dunks anyway, but I'm a Lakers fan, so had to get them things, man, just because of the Laker colorway. And I must say, they look absolutely amazing. The outsole, the tone, the hits, the purple. And all I need is to actually try to do a lace swap and throw maybe some white ones in there and see if that make it pop, because that gold on gold is kind of crazy. So, but yeah, got them in hand. I'm gonna do it on feet because I ain't got nothing else to do in the house anyway since the hurricane bearing down on us. So yeah, we're gonna get at it. So we're about to do a lace swap on the Dunk Highs in the Laker colorway. So we're gonna swap those out, put some white ones in there and see if it make it bang. So I just did the lace swap and the high dunks in the Laker colorway. I threw a white in there to see if it made it pop a little bit more. I don't know. Look clean to me, but that's the gold that it came with. And these are the white that I put in there. So I don't know, a lot more lacing up to go, I guess, in these, and we'll see. But if you're a Lakers fan, man, these are definitely a must cop. Definitely a must cop for me. As soon as I seen them on the Nike app or whatever, I had to scoop them up. So Laker colorway, Dunk Highs.